Good morning, students. As in the previous video, we have discussed the meaning and definition of bill of exchange and promissory note, and I have promised you all that in the next video we will discuss about the practical questions. But before starting the practical questions, there is one more thing which should be discussed and which is necessary to be discussed is due date and days of grace. What do you mean by the due date? The date on which the payment of the bill becomes due is called due date or date of maturity. In other words, the date on which duration of bills comes to an end, it will be called due date. For example, if I have written a bill on 1st January for 1 month, 1st January for 1 month, then the date of maturity or the due date will be 1 Feb. But there is one more thing. There is one more thing called days of grace. What are the days of grace? What are the days of grace? Uh, while calculating the due date, it is compulsory to add 3 days to the period of bill. These 3 days are called days of grace. For example, if a bill is drawn on 1st July and payable for after 2 months means 1st August or and 1st September. So 3 more days will be added to 1st September means 2nd, 3rd or 4th September. 4th September will be our due date. Okay, but there are few points before calculating the date of maturity, which are if a bill falls due in those months in which there is no corresponding day like 29, 30 or 31st date, its maturity date will be the last date of such month. Like if I have written a bill on 31st Jan for 1 month, 31st Jan for 1 month, at that time the maturity date should be 29 Feb, and 3 more days will be 1st, 2nd and 3rd March. 1st, 2nd and 3rd March. If a bill is written on 31st January, the due date will be, and for 1 month, the last date of the bill completion will be 28 Feb or 29 Feb, and the due date will be 3rd March. Okay, let's come to the illustration 1. If a bill is written on 1st January for 2 months, what will be the due date? 1st January to 1st February 1 month, 1st February to 1st March 2 months and 3 days, यानी कि 2nd, 3rd and 4th March will be the answer, will be the due date. If 28 January, then 28 Feb plus 3, 3rd March. 30 January, same, because there is not 30 Feb in the month of Feb. There is only 28 or 29 days. So 28 will be the last day and 3 more days will be added. 30 April for 2 months. So 30 April means 30 May and 30 July, and 3 more days. 30 April for 2 months. Okay. 30 April for 2 months means May and June. So 3rd July will be the answer. Okay. फिर 30 April for 3 months. So May, June, July. So 2nd of August will be the answer. Then 30 April again for 30 days. It means at here 30 May will be the answer, and plus 3 यानी कि 31st, फिर 1 and 2nd June will be the answer. So this is the simple question of due date, finding due date. Finding due date is very important in the questions of bills. So in the next video we will come to the general entry regarding the bills of exchange. Till then, bye bye, take care, keep studying, keep doing practice, so that accounts become very easy for you. And one more thing, as in every video I put an conclusion that practice makes a man perfect. So keep studying, keep doing practice, so that you can do well in account. Bye bye.